Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. This is going to be a quick end of the year wrap up. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my day one subscribers, and all my members, all my new members, all my old members, and the future members coming in 2026. I want to thank you guys all for liking, sharing, subscribing, doing everything that the YouTube algorithms love for me to get in order for me to get you as a loyal member and subscriber to my page. I also want to thank me for dropping the content that allowed you to find me and come and be a member of the page. A lot has happened this year, a lot of traveling. I hit San Antonio. San Antonio was absolutely beautiful. That's some place that I would love to travel again. And then after San Antonio, I hit Vegas. And then after Vegas, I hit Japan. And that was pretty much the whole meat and potato of the travel. Absolutely love Japan. If you would like to check out any of the videos from Japan, you can just go back on the page, and I dropped a video pretty much every day I was in Japan, which wasn't really the purpose, but it was just so beautiful out there that I felt like I had to let you guys see what the experience for me was in Japan. But anyway, you can check out those videos. You can check out the San Antonio videos. And I think I possibly might have some Vegas videos that you guys could check out. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys all from the bottom of my heart. Like I said, this is a very, very, very quick video. 2025 was a very good year for me. It did not end the way that I expected it to end. Not just for me, on a personal basis, it ended fine for me. But there are certain things that happened at the end of the year that caused me to shut down a little bit, and I kind of stopped posting videos. I just wasn't really feeling it like that because I was going through some mental, personal issues that I was trying to deal with. And it wasn't necessarily me, but things that were around me and information that was received by me that didn't really settle great with my soul. And it just allowed me to shut down. So I had stopped posting videos for about a month. And then I kind of got out the rut. I kind of forced myself to start posting videos again. The reason why I started reposting videos, even though I was in a slump, was because I had obligations. I had vendors reaching out to me, and I accepted before I got into my rut. I had accepted a sponsorship from Vajiga Raised Garden Bed, and I wanted to fulfill my obligation to them as far as getting a video out, which I really do love that raised bed, and I think it's a beautiful addition to my garden. So that was another one of the reasons why I started to post videos again, was because I wanted to fulfill my obligation before the year ended. It's kind of hard to explain. I didn't have the joy that I once had in the beginning of the year as towards the end of the year with posting the videos. And it's not because of the videos, it was because what I was going through mentally. I felt like I needed to just kind of fall back from the posting of videos. I started fasting heavily, and with that fasting came a little bit of clarity. I was able to express myself enough to get a little bit of something off my chest. But there is a saying that you can't stress over things that you can't control. So I realized that this event that caused me to shut down a little bit is something that's out of my control, and I'm not gonna put any more energy into that said event until I know that there is something that needs to be done on my end. So with that being said, stepping into 2026, guys, every January I try to do a raw vegan, a vegan, or some type of detox for the beginning of the year. This is a health and fitness type of channel, along with the gardening and along with the travel, because we can't travel, we can't garden if our health isn't up to par to do those type of things. So this year is no different. January 2026, I will be starting not necessarily a challenge, but if you want to join in, you more than definitely can. I will be fasting. I will be eating plant-based for the entire month. The first 2 weeks of my journey into 2026, I will be doing the Great Fast, or something close to the Great Fast. So that'll be for the first 2 weeks. One of my comrades sent me a book, and it's called The Great Cure. Shout out to C-Dub. Shout out to his clan. And I've been reading this book. It's a very powerful book. And I'm going to take a part of this book and apply it to what I'm doing. The whole purpose of me doing this is to detox my system, to cleanse out a lot of the junk from 2025 that I did put into my body. I recommend that you guys also tune up your machines going into 2026. And if you would like to do that, you can join me in my journey. I will try to post more videos. Like I said, that I've been kind of absent a little bit, and it's so crazy because I posted one video that went kind of mini viral. Like in 2 days, it had like 93,000 views. And I was just like, well, this was just a random video. It was like a Jake Paul video. And I post a whole bunch of like gardening stuff, and it gets like, the views are like minimal. And then I post a Jake Paul video and I get 93,000 views in like 2 days, which is like, it's crazy. So anyway, I try to relate that to gardening, and I said, let's knock out these seeds like Jake Paul getting knocked out, try to make a little light of the situation. But the goal was to bring people over so that they could see kind of like what was going on. But it was just crazy to me that I just posted that video and it just went viral. I mean, 650 something thumbs up or whatever the case may be. But anyway, let's knock out this January with a detoxing and a resetting of our system. And that's what I plan on doing. And if you need an accountability partner, I will be posting videos as frequently as I possibly can. There are different things in motion going into 2026, so I will try to post as much as I possibly can. I got a couple of boxes that I need to send out. Shout out to FR Humphrey. I will get your box out. I was a little bit late sending the boxes out due to me celebrating my birthday and all the other events surrounding that. I just got Analytic Gardener's box out. Shout out to Tag, and she loved what was inside her box. So FR Humphrey, I will be sending your box, and it will be a nice box of goodies. I'm sending my boy C-Dub a box, so you guys be patient. I will get those boxes out to you. And I just want to wish everybody a happy new year. Like I said, a lot was happening at the end of the year. I didn't even really feel like I celebrated my birthday the way that I would normally celebrate my birthday on the page. I usually would give a giveaway and do all that other type of stuff. But to be honest with you guys, my spirit had been low-key broken. And so I'm trying to get out that rut. And so let's bring in the new year. I'm trying to bring in the new year with a new type of energy. And I hope that you guys also try to bring in the new year with a new type of energy. You guys know the motto on the page. Like I said, it's a quick video. Each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J. And I will definitely see you on the next video. If you feel like you want to jump in on this detox or this resetting of the system, leave a comment. I'll be your accountability partner, and you can be my accountability partner. We're gonna do the whole month of January vegan. It could be either cooked or raw. I'm trying to do more of a raw and sticking to some of the principles of the Great Cure. Uh, I'm only like six, going into my seventh chapter into the book. It's a real thin book, and I'll be doing a version of this for the first 2 weeks, starting tomorrow. So once again, you know, the motto on the page: each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will see you in 2026. Peace.